Do you want to sell your home for top dollar in the least amount of time? I bet you do. Who wouldn't want that, right? I'm Tasheenia Bennett with Homes with Sheena and eXp Realty, and I've got 6 tips to sell your home fast. Click on the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoy my content, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. And of course, your comments and questions are always welcome. Now let's get to it. Tip number 1, meet with your agent. Your agent can save you a lot of time and energy guiding you through the process. They are there to serve you and help you make the best decisions for your home. Tip number 2, pre-qualify to buy. Get pre-qualified to buy your next home before putting your current home on the market. Working with a reputable mortgage lender will help you understand what you need to net from the sale of your current home to achieve your goals for your next home. Tip number 3, price correctly. Listing your home at the proper market value is critical to selling within a reasonable time frame. Be cautious of making decisions based on valuations online. Instead, use your agent's knowledge of the local area as a resource. Tip number 4, pre-inspection. Home inspections are often where a home sale can go wrong. Material defects may need to be repaired prior to a buyer purchasing the home. Determine these potential fixes before you list, instead of during the negotiation process. Tip number 5, declutter. If your house is cluttered or filled with personal mementos, it's more difficult for a buyer to picture themselves living there. Place large pieces of furniture or family photos in storage is worth the effort to help you sell quicker. And tip number 6, professional photography. The modern day home search usually starts online, and first impressions are very important. Make sure your real estate agent uses a professional photographer in order to show your home in the best light. And there you have it, 6 tips to sell your home fast and for top dollar. Whether you're selling your home for the first time or you have sold a home before, I'm here to help you work on getting your home sold fast and to put more money into your pocket. Contact me for a free, no obligation market analysis of your home today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time.